Nice. All right. All right. I'm gonna pull up the stream. All right. What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? We don't get this. Anyways, I'm gonna go put my phone in the other room because, like I said, guys, I'm not gonna be on my phone at all. Still got 20 minutes to work it, you know. And it's still market open. We're gonna do some pre-market analysis, and that's pretty much it for now. So go ahead and hop on NQ here. Head on the daily. Okay, so daily is looking bearish here. This is sell side on like the 4 hour. But on the daily, we inversed the 4 hour. Seems like we held, or the daily we inversed. We held this 4 hour throughout yesterday, exactly like I wanted us to. Just unfortunately didn't get the delivery when we wanted because we entered off this first tap and we came down to previous day low, came back up, and then took out previous day low. So didn't get the delivery we wanted, but there was a setup for that yesterday. You see here, oh, right here. I entered off the one over here on the 1 minute, but when I was off my charts, there was this 4 minute to previous day low. But yeah. But for today, still seems like we're delivering off this 4 hour here. Inverse the 1 hour. That's bearish. Okay. Let me make sure. Okay. We're delivering off this 1 hour. We inversed this 1 hour. So price just seems bearish here. kind of like our sell side for now that we have. Unless we run this, then we'll have to look for like a new target, but check the 15-minute. We still have London low below, Asia high. Could get a pullback to this 15-minute, then a continuation model down to the sell side. Pretty much just have to see what we're gonna get here. All right. So it's pretty much it for right now. 15-minute. I'm looking bearish. Oh, Ian, here, I'll call you. Ian, answer Discord. I'm looking more biased or bearish right now, just like yesterday. You, Ian. Yo, Ian, what's up? We're looking. Oh, that might be you. I'm not gonna lie. My Streamlabs says I'm pretty good. But yeah, so I'm bearish because so you know the 4 hour we were delivering off yesterday? We're still delivering off of it. And then if I go down to the 1 hour from the 4 hour. Yeah. Exactly. And now we have a 15-minute that just formed that we could look for a retrace into before going short, but I don't think we'll tap into it before market open. Maybe we will. I don't know, but we'll see. My win rate right now. All right, I'll log into my trade of 8. I'll see. Let me see what my win rate is on my fundeds. Bruh. It keeps moving my thing across screens. How do I do? Okay, I'll do this here. 75, but I'm assuming it counts some of my. It counts like the $5 things as wins. It says I've only taken 3 losses and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 wins. So what's the math? 11 wins and 3 losses. No, I took away the break evens. Yeah. So it's 78%. That's 78%. Gotta change this. My search engine went to Yahoo again, dude. For every time I switch it to Yahoo, I want to crash out. Yeah. No way, really. But price is not moving right now. Holy crap. Oh yeah, I know. No, we have no news today. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Me. I wanna do that. Yeah, I wanna do that too. Alright guys, say we're leaning bears here. Why would you want to buy a Tesla? No, don't want to. I just don't want to drive a Tesla, bro. Nice. Good gas mileage. They don't have gas. Bruh. Bruh. What? I don't know. Are we gonna wait for market open? These candles look trash. I'm definitely looking bearish here though. Still got 8 minutes till market open. They just look ugly though. They just look ugly, bro. You think that would take sell side previous day low before looking for reversal? I'm not sure about reversals, bro. We don't we don't have any gaps here. I mean, technically he could. Okay, so we could deliver off of this. Let me see where the low is. But I highly doubt it because there's not a higher time frame here. So we tapped into the 15-minute we just formed. No. All right, we still got 5 minutes for market open here, guys. Okay, let's see. Do we? Okay, we tapped in that 5 minute as well here. So my condition here, if we break above this, we'll be looking for at least this high. Break above this 15 minute. If we close above it, yeah, just be looking to see your reaction here. Yo, Ian, you there? Oh, what? Okay. All right, Ian, we gotta lock in, bro. We gotta lock in. You're locked. Are you sure you're locked? What's up? No. No. Okay, lock in. Yo, you're lagging like crazy, bro. All right, guys. So we're going into today being bearish. We'll see what we get if we inverse like this 15 minute. We don't have, okay, we have an hourly here. If we inverse this hourly as well, maybe let's say the 10 a.m. candle, we will flip bias probably, but we just have to see what we get, to be honest. Do I also use SMTs? Yeah. Actually, let me check our time frame for SMTs as well. Oh yeah, we have taken out these lows on ES, but we did not take out this one. Dude, we have a bunch of SMTs at these lows. I feel like that might be what's holding us here. An SMT at the lows, Ian, would bring us up. We left London low from both, or on both, so that's not bad. We're about to close this 15 minute, so I'm assuming we're not going to close above on market open, but we're about to be on market open, so I'm going to go ahead and head on the 1 minute here. We're definitely not closing above this unless we get like crazy momentum out of nowhere. All right. Market open, guys. What's up? All right. Yeah. You just go on the kill zones and pivots, click the three dots, and then hit copy, and it'll copy your settings for it and everything. Okay, so we left a 930 high and a 930 low here. That's why I said they're supposed to. I just said there's a bunch of SMTs on the lows. We didn't even have an entry opportunity there. I was looking at the 5 minute, we had a 5 minute gap, and we just took out my sell side. So we have like no gaps forming anywhere. No, I'm talking about for a retrace for Mech model. We have like no, the only gap was on the 5 minute. The highest time frame gap was a 5 minute. We don't really have anything to the left to look for a gap to deliver off of. So price might just dump down here. We left some LRL on that. We kind of left some LRL on the 15 minute to the left. Liquidity is, yeah. On where? What time frame? I'm looking at the 15 minute. Because we have a gap next to this as well. So we could look for delivery out of this gap if we sweep this. You'd be in discount. You could take a long from there if we sweep the low. Well, yeah, we just took out sell side. And if we take out this low, I'm pretty sure. Okay, not if we take out this low, but we have a daily gap down here. Yeah. Price is just dumping here. If we form any gaps, we could look for like a continuation setup. But we just gotta wait to see if we get that. Yeah. Or we could sweep it and get a mech model back up. I honestly just want to see price continue here and get a mech model, or just form this 5-minute and get a continuation model. A higher time frame just looks bearish here. Could be a higher time frame market maker sell model. Where would the market maker sell model thing be? Could just be market maker sell model. So any short here could just finish this, to be honest. I mean, we're looking bearish on the higher time frame. Kind of looks like a market maker sell model. We still have liquidity below. We're selling off here. So if we form a 5-minute, get a continuation short, that could be good as well. No. What are you talking about? Am I bullish? No, not right now. What are you talking about? Oh, you're talking about for a short? But we're not. Yeah, but we're not delivering off of anything. We're delivering off a 3-minute. We haven't formed a 5-minute yet. I want to form a 5-minute and then deliver off of it, not a 3-minute. Let me see. Or you couldn't turn a 30-second. You just want to be delivering off of a higher one. No, highest time frame possible is for the entry. If there's not a 5, then how would you use it 5? So I could look for delivery off of it to go. Bro, look at my screen share. In 10 seconds, this candle will close. We'll form a 5-minute, and we could do this. Deliver off the 5-minute. Because right now we tapped into this 3-minute, but we have a 1-minute, 2-minute. We got a 30-second in the 5 in this leg. So at this point, I'm bearish unless we inverse this 5-minute. This is going to be my condition, is this 5 minute here. Yeah. I feel like this just means we're like, I feel like we're just too far in discount to look for shorts here. Okay, so we just formed a better looking 1 minute here. It's a little bit bigger. I kind of actually hope we inverse this so we have a more clear draw bullish, to be honest. We be, we we'll be holding this gap again if we do hold here. It's a big 15. There's a 15 minute from the left. You agree? All right, W. Yeah, but I don't know if you can see, but it's been held like multiple times though. But the 5 minute that I'm looking at right now hasn't. Hasn't been. Well, the 15's been tapped to do like 5 times. It's just held every single time. So we're gonna see if we close below the 15 minute in a minute and 30 seconds. Bullish 15 minute. So we have 1 minute here to see this 15 minute. If it closes below, that'll be a good bearish sign. And it would show that that 5 minute is also holding here. We have a 2 minute. We do have a 2 minute. That is the highest time frame here for the short. Might have to wait for this 2 minute, bro. Brochacho. Brochacho. Well, there's a, yeah, but there's a 2 minute here. Well, if that would just prove that we're bearish. That wouldn't be a reason to enter. Yeah, we just closed below the 15 minute gap. No. And now it's just dumping, so I go mark out the sell side that I had on NQ. Even the 1 minute entry was still bad. So either way, it would have been bad. I mean, sell side. Oh. How do you make your trend line go straight? Shift. If you hit shift. No problem. We have what? That's bearish. And we just made equal lows on NQ. Or relative equal lows on NQ. With low of session. What do you mean you can't tell? It didn't take us outside, bro. It's equal lows. What do you mean? How do I know? Duh. But you can also see that it didn't go past it. Okay, now it went past it. So now we just swept out this low. Honestly, next spot would probably be just looking for this sell side. We might be able to, that might complete the market maker buy model and or sell model, and we could look for a long to like an unfilled 15-minute if we leave this. $15. What are you looking for at the moment? What's the best setup? Maybe a Mac model if we take out the sell side, or a continuation model to the sell side. You really just got to see what we get. Bro, I told you live trading's just boring, bro. Market open already happened. Guys, we're at 4 likes right now. We got 20 people in here. Could we run up the likes? Can we run up the likes, guys? Oh, crap. Bro, what? What are you talking about? One, bro, what am I looking at right now, dude? Bro, what do you want me to do? I'm telling them my bias. I'm telling them what I'm looking for. Your break even? We just took out the shorts. What do you mean? I caught the duck out those shorts. I don't know. The entry was. I don't know. That's so it's not really. I don't like it. Bazoogley? Hmm. What do you mean? What about him? Yeah. Yeah, that's a really bad entry, bro. Wait, you said 771. You got it all the way up here? 771. Yeah, I think so. This, I'm assuming. It's not a bad setup to relative equal those. Or what? What are you talking about? It's not a bad setup. That's not a bad setup. I was just waiting for New York Open. Yo, Ian. All right, guys. Wait, what's up? It is really rough right now. I don't like. There's nothing to hold us up here, but we're super far in discount. Yeah, and then price just was not helping us out there. Price was just being annoying. Price was like it was a clear bias, but price was just chopping. Yeah. Yeah, I know. No, we're not delivering off of anything though. We're supposed to deliver off a higher time frame with Mac model. Hmm. Yeah, but that's fine because you just have a big buffer. Okay, so 4 minutes by the close above here as well. Again, nothing to target, and I'm not really bullish, so I'm not going to be taking this. I'm looking for us to form this 15-minute, to be honest, and just leave it here. I feel like price is like it dumped, and now it's just moving pretty slow. Like it's, I don't know if it's just because we're live trading right now and back testing. You can like skip through it. You know what I mean? But it just feels like it's like slow. I'm assuming it's not slow, but I just want us to take out the sell side so we can get something. I gotta be patient. Maybe we could align with like 10 a.m. candle. We could get it open though I close. Maybe we get like maybe price does this. Maybe price does like this to the 15-minute, and we get like a 10 a.m. open like here, open, low, high, close. But I don't know, dude. We only have 3 minutes now until 10 a.m. candle. So what's that low sell side? It's pretty much like the big sell side we have here. Holy crap. Yo guys, we're at 9 likes. We need one more to hit 10. Can we get one more like, guys? One more like and we'll hit 10. And we are about to form this 15-minute as well here. Go lock in. Well, explain everything on the TikTok streams. Your average gamer. Explain everything on the TikTok streams. You guys can ask questions in there. Oh, wait, 12 likes. Let's go. That's cool, bro. Shut up, bro. When am I going live again? I'm gonna go live tonight. Community moderation. What does that do? Yo, Ian, do you want to be a mod on my YouTube chat? Bro, be a mod on my YouTube chat, bro. You'll be a mod. You'll be like my little like employee, bro, that gets no money. It's Marshall, ban Marshall. Bro, how do I unmute you on stream? Bro, how do I? Wait, I'm resetting my thing so they can hear you. Bro, just don't say any slurs, bro. Display. Application. Application audio. Capture desktop audio. Boom. Nice. Nice. You even talk?
Hello, hello.
Oh shit, you're louder than me, bro. Alright.
Hello. Good.
Yeah, I got you a little bit quieter than me.
All right.
Alright. Now it doesn't sound like I'm talking to myself like a crazy person. It is crazy, bro. Bro, look at my chat, Ian. Good morning, Logan Trades from Dylan Bazugli. 3, 2, and 1 minute. Yeah, we just formed the 15. I'm kind of hoping we leave it there, to be honest. But
Does Dylan trade?
no.
Oh.
Bro. If we close above this 15 minute, then I'll be bullish, bro. But we're not closing above these. We're just respecting them, which is making me bearish. But we're not getting any setups for shorts. The one setup we got, it was a horrible close. So we didn't take it. Took the 30-second short inside 5-minute FVG. What 30-second? Said the 5-minute. Yeah, that wasn't the highest time frame though. I was looking for the 2-minute there. And close was just way past it. I was looking for something like that. Even the 1 minute didn't close below, or the 1 minute closed all the way down here.
Bro, that closed so low.
Yeah.
It was a decent setup. It was just terribly low.
We haven't tapped into this 15-minute yet. And I hope I didn't just jinx us. So I hope it doesn't hit the 15-minute. I hope we leave it unfilled.
Use a target for mech model.
Yeah. Unless we form a new one on the way down.
Yo, look at my screen share, bro. How do I get like the little pen? Oh, I think I know how to do that.
What pen?
Yo, I always see it. This one. You looking?
Oh wait, you are screen sharing, but the quality's horrible. Oh wait, now I got it. I got it.
Bro, I always see people on TikTok. They say this is the method.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Or like, yeah, like look, ready? Mark my words.
All you have to do is draw it and it'll do that.
Yeah, watch, bro.
Tight.
Bro, how do I just get my cursor?
698 was your fill.
Bro, see, it's already working.
TS already working. Well, yeah, I would assume that was your fill. That's right where the close was. But yeah, that wasn't the highest time frame there, so I didn't take it. My camera just died.
Why don't you plug it in?
It is plugged in. It's plugged into the computer. Of course, we're inside this 15-minute. We could just leave it like I wanted. But possibility for a
Bro,
short
why is it
here.
saying my manager is fucking recommended for me on Snapchat, bro? Yeah, you jinxed that 15-minute, bro.
I know, don't worry. This battery does not come out of my camera, dude. I need to stop using that one.
You not have it like plugged in, like the camera plugged into your computer?
It is plugged into my
Like
computer.
charging?
That's how
Like
it's
charging.
No, there's no charger port for that. It's just a battery.
No, but they make like little battery packs for people that stream, like where you can literally just plug in the battery pack.
Do not
What do you have? You have a US.
longs.
You have
I
an US
do
Mark
inverse
V,
for
right?
longs. We took a setup the other day for longs, but just not this, dude. We're not delivering off of anything. We're just completely bearish here unless we inverse this 15-minute. That's why I have the 15-minute marked out. Yeah, we have a 1-minute gap here for a possible short. Let's see what ES is doing here. Okay, we have an SMT at these highs.
Yeah, damn. ES is like.
And we tapped into the 15-minute, so we just got to see reaction here. MES is in a daily gap. Is ES in? Well, I don't care about MES. I care about ES. ES is at a daily gap, but that's already the mitigated part. There's still sell side below.
Bro, I had a table yesterday, the same business party that I was talking about. Like, right? Like the guy that does the financial seminars.
Yeah.
And it was only 20 guests total. So it was me and one other server. And bro forgot a fucking tip us.
Really?
He like left, and then my manager called him, and they're like, yeah, he's on the phone. Like, he wants to talk to you guys. He's like, yeah, he's like, guys, I'm sorry. He's like, I've been up since 4 a.m. He's like, and I completely just forgot about that. So, but we have his party again today.
Hmm.
It's just kind of funny though.
Okay, so we're about to get a 2-minute gap here. So we formed a possible 2-minute here, delivering off the 15-minute. SMT at the highs. Or break even at the lows. Or SMT at the highs. What about the SMT at the lows? We don't have an SMT at the lows right now. What about this one here? Then yeah, but neither of them have swept, or yeah, one of them swept out London lows. We have sell side below on both. It's like there's SMTs all over the place.
Might just be a no trade day today.
We have a 3-minute here.
Yeah, seem to be respecting that 15 for right now.
Yeah, let's see if we react to this 15-minute.
Kind of chopping in there.
Data high
So,
on it. What data high, bro? What are you talking about? Data high? There's no data high, dude. Data
high
high on
from
NQ hasn't been taken out yet. What data high, dude? 8:30. There was no 8:30 news today, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. There was no 8:30 news today.
why are you so angry?
Because there was no 8:30 news today.
Why are you so angry at your viewers though, bro? We're gonna clip that and then post how you crash out on your viewers. Bro asks a simple question and bro loses his mind. Yeah, we're cooked.
The only way I'm bullish is if we inverse this 15-minute, which I kind of want to see, bro. I don't like shorting down this low.
Yeah.
But yeah, we did not have 8:30 news today.
You don't think we're taking out that liquidity from whatever the market model you were talking about was? Like way over there on the 15-minute? Like that you have drawn out that sell
Yeah,
side?
I have it marked out. We're just so far in discount. Like
Yeah,
this is
I
a
know.
bad area to short.
There's a 5-minute gap. If you wanted a short, but
Oh yeah, there's a 5-minute. I didn't see that.
could always deliver off that.
I had the 3-minute marked out. Say we could short this 5-minute here.
So got what 3-something minutes to close though?
Yeah. Guys, we still got about 3 minutes here to close for the gap. And we are, let me see. Oh, I'm gonna call with you. The hell?
What? I feel like the only thing with this one is or what are you targeting if you do take a short here? Are you targeting the AM lows or are you gonna target the sell side? I mean, I guess they're both sell side, but you know what I mean. Great answer, bro.
Sorry.
Fuck
My
you.
bad. I'm sorry.
What are you targeting if you take a short? Are you targeting the sell side that you have drawn out or the AM low?
South side. I mean,
So big
honestly,
RR
even
trade.
like even if we resweep this high, we could get like a mech model to this 5 minute. But then we wouldn't have the SMT
Sell
close.
side's 100 points. I mean, I guess we still have 50 minutes of market
Holy
though.
crap, bro! Look at this big SMT, dude. The eyes.
I still don't get SMT to be honest.
Look at my
One
screenshot,
just wants
bro.
to explain it to me, yeah. So we have the highs there.
This high. Look at the difference, dude. We already ran this high. ES didn't. NQ, the one we're on, didn't. NQ's
Go back to the
down
high. Where is the high on ES? Let me see. That high on ES is that candle there. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
Could get like a free mech model here, to be honest, if we do this.
To what? That.
Sell market order. Whoa, 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 whoa. What are we
Yo.
doing? What are we doing here, bro? What
What the hell?
bro, what? Dude, now I'm down like how much on the day, dude?
$20. $20.
Yeah, it's still annoying, but
You should have held,
bro, I
bro.
literally just drew something. How is it entering positions when I'm just drawing shit?
What is there a mech model too, though?
It would be to this 5 minute if we got like a 1 minute or 30 second.
The 5 minute?
Yeah.
I'm on 15. Okay.
Okay, well we just tapped in the 5 minutes, so now it would no
Yeah.
longer matter. So we could get this short here.
We have 20 seconds until 5 minute closes. Make sure my stop loss is fucking right this time. If I do 5 contracts, that's 300. So it's gonna be about 8.
Yeah.
If we were to enter this.
And we didn't get the close, so.
Nope.
Dude, what is going on, bro? Every gap is holding, whether it's up or down, dude.
Stress, bro.
No sweep. Yeah. Insane chop, dude. I don't know what's going on today. And I don't know.
Don't matter,
what
bro.
this shit
Don't
was.
stress about it.
Don't stress about it. Don't stress about it.
Bro, because you're like tweaking, bro. Enter a trade just to make your $20 back, bro.
Bro, no, dude. I'm not gonna do this.
Come on, bro. Still got 30 something 40 minutes of market though, so you're good.
Yeah, we're chilling.
Regardless, it's been what, green the past 2 days, so
No, well, yeah, the last 2 days.
yeah. Don't worry about it, bro. Still green week.
No, really. No, really.
Nah, really, well you're
Not really.
fucking whining about it. You're like, bro, what is going on?
Bro, because we're just like we're just respecting everything. No setups. And the one setup we did have was a horrible entry.
Well, 5 minutes below now, but you got 3.5 minutes till close.
Yeah, we'll see if this becomes an inverse for the right gap.
It's gonna have to chop here for a little bit though, or something. Take a close below.
Yeah. Bruh. Bruh. Bruh.
Does your shit update faster than mine? Your trading view?
Bruh. I
Was
don't know.
there wasn't like an entry on a lower time frame or no?
It
No,
was,
not
but
really.
we don't really want it lower time frame than the
Yeah.
highest time frame.
We got 2.5 minutes. Yeah, your thing's updating way fast. Is mine like delayed at all or no? Yo, can you make a trade recap for that trade today?
Bro.
Right, guys.
Bro, I want to post a screenshot of
I
the
just
trade if we
lost
get this
today.
and it wins. But how would I even post a trade recap if like I have these executions here. I would have to de-risk here. I have G7 cons
Why?
because the close is farther,
Oh,
so
because
the
it's
stop loss is bigger.
okay. Yep, that makes sense.
Use your brain, Ian. Your friggin' brain.
Subao, bro.
Use your friggin'
Subao.
brain. All right, so if we get the close below here, we get the close below on the 2 minute
yeah,
as well. The
I did
1
that
minute close
math
below,
wrong.
3 minute close below. We would get 4 minute didn't, but we pretty much have a close below on every time frame if we close here on this 5 minute.
Bro, I did the math wrong yesterday, and I was thinking that it was like the smaller my stop loss, the less contracts I need to enter with. I don't know why I was thinking that.
Yeah, that's why you entered with 5.
Yeah, I entered with 5, and my stop loss is like 30 ticks, bro.
Yeah, and if I told you to enter with 9 and your
Fucked
stop
me
loss
up.
is tiny, then you should actually use more cons. But you're an idiot.
I know. I broke. I did the math wrong. I was thinking smaller stop loss, less contract.
Yeah, shut up.
Shut the fuck up, bro. I'm still more green on that day than you were.
That's because your entry was good. So it's like 4R, dude.
Yeah, it was a 5R trade, bro. It was a 5R fucking bro. It was $122 risk trade that I took partials out, and I made 400 and something off of, which is I mean, it was okay, but still, it's like terrible.
What prop firm do I use? Take Profit Trader.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
So we would get it closed below on the 2 minute if we get it here. 1 minute already closed below. 3 minute. It's 3 minute closed below. 3 minute did not close below.
Let's see.
Might be able to do that. Okay.
Are you entering?
Yeah, I'm entering with 8.
7 contracts still? Yeah, I'll enter with 7.
I'm gonna do 8.
Why is my buy stop that high? Like, I feel like it doesn't. Where does it? Oh, I guess it's just because it's based off what I. All right. Maybe take partials at this little liquidity, or maybe not even partials, but.
So I'm gonna do 4 there. 4 there. We are in a chop. Yeah. We have a close below on many time frames though. Oh wait, no, 2 minute didn't close below actually. 5 minutes the only one that closed below.
Yeah, you sold me.
But the SMTs at the highs is looking nice.
Yes, I like this setup. The only thing I don't like is that we're in discount.
So I really want to see this 2 minute continue to hold here. We were already holding it earlier.
I can't even look at the 2 minute, bro, but.
Not gonna lie, this play might not be the move. I might get out break even. I'm not sure.
Why? Why do you. Based off the 2 minute or what?
No, just we didn't close below on a lot of time frames. I'm not sure, dude. Maybe we are really bearish here. But I'd rather not take a loss that I regret, you know?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Did we not close below on the 3 minute too? I thought the 3 minute did. It looks like it's edit. It looks like it's
3
equal.
minute, yeah, 3 minute didn't close below.
1 minute did, 3 minute didn't, 5 did.
I don't know. I'm thinking, do I get out here?
If you don't like it, dude, I wouldn't stay in the trade if it's the trade that you don't like. That's just bad logic. Like,
Yeah.
what do you think? What's the 3 minute looking like? Yeah, I mean,
Still no closes below in the 3 minute.
are we respecting that too? What about the 2?
2 minutes seems to be holding here, but let's see.
The 2 minute inverses, are you gonna close or just
No,
well?
that wouldn't be a close.
Go back to that 2 real quick. You close your position?
No.
Oh, I thought you did. Okay, yeah, I'm looking at 2. If the 2 minute
And it's just
closes
chop,
above,
right? It's a lot of chop right now, so I'm not
yeah,
sure.
I know.
I don't really want to sit through chop, you know, especially in the 5 minute. But
We have 30 seconds left on the 3 minute, and it's going close to it.
all right, we'll see. We'll see if we form an OB here on the 3 minute. If we form an OB here on the 3 minute and inverse, then that's a good sign.
Oh, bro, we don't have any fucking magnets. What are we doing? Magnets out, bro. Magnets out. You ready?
Oh,
3 minute did. 3 minute did. What about
3 minute
2?
did
2 is
close
definitely
below.
below. Yeah.
2 close below.
Strong sign, right?
Yeah, everything closed below.
What about the order block?
Maybe we formed a 3 minute order block, yeah.
So it's a good sign, right? Like, there's nothing bad about this trade, except that we're in discount.
I'm gonna watch ES though. Just because I don't like ES right now, to be honest. Don't really know if I want to do partials here. Because I only need like this for the payout, for the copy traded payout. So I might just target this.
Yeah.
I also don't like the wick on our entry candle though. 5 minute.
Let me look.
Yeah, I'm just gonna target this, to be honest, for the payout. I don't really need to
Like a
target
1R?
anything past this 1.2R.
All right.
But I also actually I don't know if that's enough though. Just because I'm risking a little bit less here. So I'll just do the partials at this then. I'll just do how I was gonna do it before.
You need that. Do you already have a payout, or do you need to get that for the payout, or like, is it for your buffer or for the actual payout?
It's for the actual payout.
Okay.
The copy traded payout.
Yeah.
Might do break even here. We just reran this low. I don't want to do an early break even though. Watch this 1 minute. This is looking good.
Yeah.
We got a CISD and a new OB here and a break of structure to the downside. Definitely looking good here.
Why do you not have a magnet? I'm putting a hammer down too. But I actually almost closed my position with a hammer yesterday.
Really?
I mean, yeah.
All right, let's check ES. Did ES? Okay, ES did not take it there.
Yes, looks good still.
Yeah, let me check the 5 minute. Yeah.
Bro, I'm working this hammer, bro. I
There,
took
your
partials. I'm
hammer
moving
got
my
us there.
stuff.
Your hammer got us there.
Yeah, you're welcome, bro.
Okay, now stops at break even, guys, with partials there. Honestly, I could take a full TP somewhere, anywhere in here, and get my
Uh,
payout thing. I'm probably gonna wait for it to come a little bit down, though, to be honest.
Let me move my magnet a little. Sorry, bro.
But I am very bearish here.
No, you're bearish, bro.
Bro, make the magnet bigger, bro. Make the magnet bigger. All right, I'm glad I trusted my judgment.
Yo,
with
what
this
the
setup.
fuck?
Let's go.
Like messing up my charts, bro. Bro, the magnet doesn't shrink with the fucking.
No,
Bro,
it doesn't.
oh, the magnet's upside down.
Yeah, it
Yo,
flips
yo,
too.
yo, yo, yo. Okay.
Yeah, it flips
I know,
too.
I fucked it up. I literally fucked it up.
It flips
Okay, let's
too.
go. Yo,
Okay, I'm watching
magnet,
ES.
come on.
I'm watching ES for SMTs here.
Look at your thing. Did you want to take your profit here or no? 'Cause you were saying you might
I'm gonna wait for the low. To be honest.
target. Yeah, there's nothing we're at right now. Just watch ES. We have a really weird thing to target just right here.
Yeah. And boom. Let's go.
Let's go. Good trade, bro.
Let's go, guys. Everybody caught that with us? I don't know why I was doubting myself at first. I'm not gonna lie.
Yo, I'm 700 away from a payout.
I got my
That's
copy
looking
traded
crazy.
payout. Let's go.
Good shit. Let's go.
Let's go.
It's a good trade. You're welcome for the magnets, bro. That was beautiful. That was beautiful.
Bro, I was stressing, bro, because all the time frames didn't close.
I know, but it like solidified after we were in. It
Let's
looked
go,
actually
guys.
pretty damn good
2R.
after that.
Or wait, what was this? 2.26.
That was mine was
2.2.
mine was 1.97. Where did you enter? Let me see your entry.
Over 2R on the day, guys. Let's go. Caught on stream. You can see W's there. Let's go.
Let me see your entry. Where were you?
Look at my entry, dude. It was up here.
Click on the red. Click on the. Okay, that's right in that gap. Oh yeah. Okay, mine was Where's my entry? My
I got a
entry
good
was,
feel.
here. So did I, bro. Yeah, mine was 2.5. Mine's 2.5 R. Damn. Or 2.49.
Nice. Let's go. All right, so I'm gonna get off. I don't want to take any more setups, dude. Not with this 2.
You want to forward test
2R.
anything or just?
No,
chill?
dude. No, dude. I like
Okay.
saving my mental capital. I'm gonna do some back testing.
Yeah, I
later,
agree.
though.
I agree.
I'll stay on call with you if you want, just to chill. But I'm gonna get off stream here because I don't want to promote over trading. Everybody should have caught that. If you didn't catch that, we'll catch something tomorrow, dude. Or if there's
They
something
don't
later.
trust in Logan trades, bro.
Let's go. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get off. I'll see you guys later. Good stuff today, guys.